Hello YouTube, we're back for another U-Venture. This is part 2. We've done several things offline. We've got the back seat out, as you can see. She's a mess. We're going to get that cleaned up. Little one's going to be working on vacuum, getting all the glass out. We was able to get the headliner out, seat out, where the cab was crushed. So now on to getting the seat belts. Ooh, we got a subwoofer. Yay! But today's goal is to actually get the bed off. Also, we'll go over repairing dents. Easy fix. I've already started with Fords. They have these washers with these hex bolts, T50, or some people have to use the T50P, which is a T50 plus. P stands for plus. So what you want to do, cut an X pattern in the bolt, grind off. Went and bought me a handy dandy DeWalt 20 volt max cordless angle grinder. Pretty nice piece of equipment. It is the DCG 412. But sidetrack. Cut it off. Take you a large screwdriver, hammer, knock the top off, and then once you get the top off, you have to do that 8 times. You got 4 on each side. Once you get that off, you'll be able to lift your bed up. Then once you get the bed off, I'll come back and show you how you actually remove the bolt from the frame. So stay tuned.
Did I get that? Hey guys. Today we're going to be cleaning this crazy mess with this thing.
Victory!
No.
Alright guys, we're back. It's another day. Been working on trying to get the bed removed. As you can see, we got heads bolted, cut off. Got everything removed. Up in here, I had to cut the gooseneck safety chain hooks. Could not get the bolts off the bottom, so I just cut them, but we'll get them replaced. We'll contact B&W and get some new ones. Did get the fender off, as you can see here. If you're ever removing a fender off one of these dualies, these clips right here, there's a nut on the back side of the fender. See if I can get it in there. Right there. Take that nut off, and it will allow you to remove these clips. and then your fender will actually slide out from here. But if you want, you'll need to loosen each of these nuts. There's 3 on each clip, then you got a center clip that holds it in center. Loosen the nuts on these top straps, but completely take off these because you have to work the fender out from inside of it. Fender came off well. Here's the fender. And that big bubble dent that was right here, we got it out. Took a heat gun, heated around the actual outside of where the dent was, and while it was being heated on low heat, not hot, just get it warm, apply a constant pressure from the inside and the dent just pops right out. Now the paint did crack a little right in there, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that on camera or not, but it did crack a little. But that is a good usable fender. Probably throw it up on Craigslist. Get rid of it, because when I buy the new bed, it'll probably come with fenders. As you can see up under here, bed's off the bolts all the way back there, here, there, and up in there as well. But we got to get the other side off over here. The crush side. But what's going on is the actual, where it's actually mashed in right here. All this is up against the frame, keeping me from being able to lift it up. So what I'm going to do is use my angle grinder. I'm going to cut a ridge, half circle ridge out of this, pull that out away from the frame, then I should be able to lift the bed. I've already got the filler tube neck out. Everything's disconnected. So I'm going to start grinding, and hopefully when I come back to you, the bed is off, sitting in the yard. See you shortly, guys. Alright, we're back. Guess what? The bed is off! Take a look around. Give you a look at the rear hitch. It's actually bent as well. Brackets. So we got to cut it. We're going to cut it right up here so we can get the bolts out back up in here. Here's the bed bolts I was talking about with the actual clip. What you do is you cut off right here, then you flip this clip up and you're able to pull the bolts out, because your new bed bolts will come with new clips. You gotta do that 8 times. We're gonna have to do some sanding. Some stuff starting to rust. This truck was used up north a little bit. Here's the hitch, gooseneck hitch. It definitely needs to be sanded. If you look right down in here, there's the wheel. All the filler necks, DEF fluid pipe got sheared off. You can see right there, it's actually snapped at the bottom. It connects up there. So we'll have to get new filler necks. Got it sitting on the trailer, ready to take to the scrap yard. I'll get my whole $9.95 for it. Alright. Guys, stay tuned. Please like, subscribe, and turn your post notifications. And leave a comment down below. Still taking suggestions on paint colors for the new cab and bed. So let me know what you think, and have a good day.